Welcome to this video. In this video I will tell you how to create and sell online courses. Selling online courses is not an easy task. By seeing from outside it seems that creating video is easy, but when you create course videos you require a hard work, and based upon that hard work you get results, and by selling that courses you can achieve time and financial freedom. So let's start this video and you will learn how to create and sell online courses. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to it and let's start this video. Hi, my name is RC Pagade and in this video I will tell you 6 steps by following that you can create a phenomenal course and sell that online. The number one step for creating a great course is decide your niche. On which topic you want to create courses. First you should clear on your niche based upon your expertise, based upon your experience, that what type of knowledge you can share. If you can share the knowledge how to do yoga, then you should choose your niche as yoga. If you can share knowledge how to create online courses, then you should keep your niche online courses. Likewise, choose your niche. There is no chance that you can sell general courses. It should be niche specific, and by having niche specific courses you can sell it very easily. If you decide to make courses without niche, then there is high chances that you can't sell that courses, because general information is available on internet and accessible to everyone. But when you are giving some information niche specific and so organized that people can take action, then there is high chances that you can sell your courses very easily. Number 2 point is decide your curriculum. Before recording and editing your courses, decide your curriculum, what you want to deliver, and if you want to deliver some action, if you want to give some assignment, please make sure that you have given sufficient time to your student to complete that assignment. If you are giving some assignment today and your next lecture is tomorrow, then please make sure that the assignment is completable in one day. Otherwise there is no reason that you are starting your lecture tomorrow without completing the previous lecture's assignment. When students complete your assignment, when students complete the given task in the previous video, then they can understand next lecture very easily. And if your curriculum is designed strongly, then the course completion rate will be high, and if your course completion rate is high, then your rating will be increased, and based upon your rating you will get more students in your course. So decide your curriculum wisely. If you want to know how to decide your curriculum perfectly for different level of your courses, then join my community. In my community I tell you how to share knowledge, how to make online courses, and how you can build multiple streams of income ecosystem where you can achieve time and financial freedom by sharing your knowledge. And number 3 is record and edit videos. After deciding your curriculum, sit down for 2-3 days and record your courses. Once you have completed all the recording, then start editing them, or you can outsource the editing also. Don't record your courses that one day you have recorded 10 chapters and after 10 days you are recording 5 chapters and after 10 days you are recording 5 chapters. If you are doing like that, then you can also miss what you have told in previous lectures. So please sit down for 2-3 days and record your courses in one go. After that you can edit that videos, or if you want to outsource, then you can outsource. There are platforms where you can outsource editing videos. Number 4 point is to set up learning management system, LMS, your school, where your students are going to learn. For that you require your school. If you are going to sell the courses, your courses on the platforms that are selling courses, then you are getting a very low revenue share, because they will keep their revenue share, they will keep marketing revenue share. It is very easy to set up learning management school with some softwares. I will give you the link to try out SPAY, and in SPAY you can create free courses in the starting up to 200 students, and once you reach 200 students, then you are well capable to pay off to SPAY. So please try out SPAY. It is very self-explanatory to set up learning management system in SPAY. After setting up your learning management system, next step is set up payment gateway. In most of the learning management systems, you don't get integrated payment gateway. So you have to set up your payment gateway, by which payment gateway you want to collect payments. That is to be integrated with your learning management system. So once your student complete the payment, they get instant access. And if you use SPAY software, then you will get integrated payment gateway systems. So you need not to worry anything. You can set up your account details, and by setting up your account detail, your payment gateway is ready for your learning management system. And next is promote and sell. How to promote your courses and how to sell. Once your LMS and payment gateway is ready and your courses are uploaded on LMS, then you have to promote that courses. There are free ways and there are paid ways to promote your courses. In the free ways, you can do webinar, you can do WhatsApp class, and you can promote through YouTube video, you can promote through podcast, and you can promote through blog post. And by doing this, you are driving traffic to your sales funnel, and your sales funnel is getting sale of your courses. So these are the free ways to promote. And if you want to promote by paying something, then you can run Facebook ad, you can run Google ad, and there are so many types of advertisement based upon your niche. You can choose that advertisement form and you can run that ad. So this is about how to create and sell your courses. Just to recap, number 1 is decide your niche, number 2 decide your curriculum, number 3 record and edit videos, number 4 set up LMS, number 5 set up payment gateway, and number 6 is promote and sell. These are the 6 steps to create and sell online courses. If you found these steps useful, then please comment below useful. And if you want exact clarity, then the number 1 point is download MSI guide. You will find the link in description of this video. Download that MSI guide. In that MSI guide, I have told you 6 steps. By following that, you can launch your course very easily. And number 2 is book clarity session. If you don't get clarity by going through MSI guide, then you can book a clarity session with me. You will find the link in the last page of MSI guide where you can book clarity session with me, and that's free. I am going to give you the clarity for free. And next is join Youth Info Hub, a community of knowledge givers. What makes people successful is the environment. And if you want to join the environment of successful people, if you want to join the environment of course creators and sellers, then you should join the community Youth Info Hub. That is the community where all the peoples are creating their courses, all the peoples are creating their digital products. By setting up that in a system, they are achieving time and financial freedom. So join community, download MSI guide, and if you found this video useful, please share with relevant people and like the video. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for tuning in here. Best of luck for your course creation and selling process.